Cleaning the tamper and the espresso machine are important processes to keep our cafe running smoothly. To clean the cube or the tamper, hold the plus and minus buttons down at the same time until the screen shows it has unlocked. Then press the clean button. The tamper disc will lower for about 15 seconds. Use the brush to knock off any espresso grounds. Sweep all of the grounds out of the cube. Once you are finished, hold the plus and minus buttons down until the screen shows it has locked again. Everything you will need to clean the espresso machine can be found in the right side cabinet below the machine. To begin, put a dime-sized amount of cafeza in the closed basket. Lock the basket in place and start the back flushing process. Turn the switch on for 10 seconds and then off. Repeat this process 3 times, then rinse the basket and complete the same process to back flush the other side. Disassemble the portafilters using the flathead screwdriver. Place one basket and one portafilter each into a pitcher. Place 3 tablets of rinsa in each pitcher. Using the flathead screwdriver, unscrew the screens from each side. Place the screen and the screw in the pitcher with the portafilter and the basket. Fill the pitchers with hot water to cover the portafilters, but stop before you get to the rubber handle, as shown in the picture. Submerge each wand in one of the pitchers, and balance the pitchers on the machine. Start a timer to have everything soak for 30 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse all the components and wipe off residue as needed. Reassemble the portafilters by snapping baskets back into place. Screw the screens back in. Do not force the screws too tight as it can make them difficult to get out the next time. Lock the portafilters back into place to keep the seals warm. Wipe down the machine to be sure that there is no milk or espresso splashes left over.